Kate Rogers spoke exclusively with the CEO about their expansion plans and has more on that for us now. Hi, Kate.
Hey, Kelly, that's my favorite item there, too. So Cava is planning to use that fresh funding to continue its expansion into the suburbs and Sun Belt communities. More than 80% of its locations right now are in the suburbs, which helped to boost its business during the pandemic. It grew its dinner day part by about 10%, with many workers migrating out of big cities, taking business away from the typical lunch rush.
The pandemic behavior has shifted more people to suburban living, as well as the dinner day part. We all sit on Zoom all day, or many of us sit in Zoom all day, and so not going out for a typical office lunch, but then at the end of the day, trading in to go out to the dinner day part at a restaurant.
The company also acquired Zoe's Kitchen in 2018, and it's going to use some of that funding to convert some of those restaurants into Cava locations, allowing it to expand at a much faster pace into new markets, Schulman says.
Conversions allow us to create a restaurant at half the cost of capital of a new build. And it allows us to do it in about a third of the construction time, as well as enter markets much more rapidly. So for example, the Atlanta market is a market that we had been trying to enter for a number of years. And to line up a number of sites that were attractive would take us multiple years. And the Zoe's acquisition, we have significant real estate in the city or the surrounding areas of Atlanta. And so we'll go into that market later this year and open 14 sites within the matter of a few months.
Now, a third area where Cava will put that funding to work is expanding its consumer packaged goods business. It sells its dips and spreads in Whole Foods and other retailers. Schulman says they're going to be building out a second production facility for that part of the business to continue growing there as well. Kelly, back over to you.
I saw their spicy hummus at Whole Foods the other day. And if they can just bring the menu pricing down a little bit, Kate, that would make it, I think, a lot more enjoyable for all of us. But still, it's been a favorite around here. Thank you for bringing that to us.
Shepard Smith here. Thanks for watching CNBC on YouTube.